Everybody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Stop sleeping on eBay. I picked up a sneaker Grail for $52.
Oh my God!
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, $52. Before we get into the details, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, because I drop consistent content. With that being said, shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. Let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. So, this pickup was inspired by the homie. Shout out to Phil Got It. I have been watching a lot of his content lately, and he have been just grabbing a lot of eBay deals, a lot of steals, and he was doing unboxings. I was like, let your boy slide through the eBay. Let me see what they got. It's a particular sneaker that I've been looking for the past about 2 years, and I could never find it in decent condition or my size. It's about 8 years old now, and it's pretty much out of circulation. Just a hard to get sneaker, but I was able to scoop it up. I saw a bid for it. The starting bid was for $40. In the end, I bid on it and I won in the last 5 seconds, and I was able to scoop this up for $52. So let's get right into it, guys. So this is the sneaker pickup, guys. I was able to secure this. I got really lucky on this pickup. You'll not find this sneaker in my size for this price ever. I know everybody does StockX and GOAT and Grail, but you gotta stop sleeping on eBay. So I got this in a 9 out of 10 condition. Unfortunately, I did not get the OG box with it, but I was completely okay with it because the price was so good. I definitely will be giving you guys a detailed review on this sneaker. Pause the video right now. Can you guess what you think this sneaker is? I'm sure you won't be able to guess it, but if you think you can, drop it in the comment section down below. But let's open it up and let's see what we got here. This package came all the way from California, and I was happy to be able to get it. Replacement box is the LeBron 8 in the away colorway. Yes, guys, I picked up another LeBron sneaker. Like I said, this is a 9 out of 10 condition. No real wear on it, no creasing, nothing. For $52, I had to secure this. This is a size 13. These run a little small, so I got a bigger size, and these fit perfect. They're very comfortable. This is the Air Max LeBron James 8. This is the V1 that I know of. This is a clean sneaker. It's comfortable, decent little casual sneaker, and I could hoop in it if I wanted to. I love that lion head on the tongue. I definitely will be giving you guys a detailed review on this sneaker. $52. You can't beat that. This was a deal. Like I said, had to scoop this up. Going to be adding more LeBron sneakers to my collection in the future. This is my 3rd pair of LeBrons now. I got the 7s, the 8s, and the 11s. So we will see if I keep grabbing up LeBrons in the future. I know he retroing some more 1s this year and the 3s. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying to fill my LeBron collection up now that I got all of the Jordans secure. But hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Do not sleep on eBay. They got all kinds of steals and deals. If you're looking for something in particular, before you just jump off the bridge and go buy it, make sure you search around a couple sites, especially eBay, because you might be able to find it for a lot better price. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to the whole Illumination, everybody to support me. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. You can follow me on all my social medias, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. I'll drop links in the description box down below. Salute to everyone. Happy February, my birthday this month, so I'm looking forward to turning up. It's gonna be a lot of pickups, All-Star Weekend. Just so much is going on in February, but I feel blessed. I'm still here, and I'm gonna keep mashing, and we gonna keep this channel growing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown, and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.